Welcome back to this AtomicPages PHP tutorial series. This is part 2. If you missed part 1, head over to blog.atomicpages.net and you can watch part 1. So let's get started. One thing that I didn't mention in the last video is that you can actually escape into and out of PHP as many times as you want within the same PHP file. So if we wanted to have PHP that generates this page title up here, we could easily add that and use a print statement just like we did for the body here. We'd use a print statement just the same way inside another pair of opening and closing PHP tags. So you can actually escape into and out of PHP as many times as you want within the same script. Another thing that I'm going to show you is that you can actually include PHP from external files. So instead of writing print hello world here, we could actually get that from an external file. So I'm going to create a new file that we can use to demonstrate this. And I'll call it include.php. So here it is. And now I'm just going to put in this same code, print hello world, like that. And then in here, instead of putting print hello world, we can actually include.php, like that. So now if we save both of these and we view this original script, you'll see we still get hello world when we view it in our browser, because this has been replaced. This include here goes and accesses this file and includes it right here. Inside here you can actually put different relative file paths. If you just put a name of a file, then it's going to look in the same directory as the current file is located to find this file. There's a few other ways you can include files. You can use require, and requires just a little bit different in the way that it handles error messages. For example, if require has a problem and it's not able to execute, then it will cause a fatal error and the entire script will terminate. If you use include, it will just cause a warning and the script will not terminate. There's also require once and include once, and those are a little bit different in that they only will include a file once. So if we had two lines that both tried to include this, then it's only going to do this actually once, because it only allows it to happen once. So if I save this and then we view in Chrome, you can see it only showed it once instead of twice like it would have if we just did simple require or include. See, it's twice here now. So require once can be useful if you're working on a big PHP system and you can't tell what files have already been included. You can just require once, and that way if it's already been included, it won't be included a second time.